Buzz! Hey, get over here and see if you can get this toolbox off me. Come on, Buzz, Buzz, I can't do this without you. I need your help.
I can't help. I can't help anyone.
But sure you can, Buzz. You can get me out of here, and then I'll get that rocket off you, and we'll make a break for Andy's house.
Andy's house, Sid's house. What's the difference?
Oh, Buzz, you've had a big fall. You must not be thinking clearly.
No, Woody. For the first time, I am thinking clearly. You were right all along. I'm not a space ranger. I'm just a toy, a stupid, little, insignificant toy.